10 SEO tips that will make your channel and your videos appear higher even in the first place. In this video I will tell you 10 most important things you should always do when uploading your videos to YouTube. By following these rules, you will increase the number of views, your videos will be more visible, and you will gain more subscribers. You will simply increase your chances of showing up as high as possible in search results. Watch until the end because I will tell you about one thing that over 90% of people don't do, and it can also increase your visibility. Now let's move to the screen. Okay, let's say I have a video and I've just uploaded it to my channel. I have automatic description, so when I upload my video, this description is set as default. If you want to have the same thing as me, go to the YouTube Studio, click on settings, and here in upload defaults, you will have a description where you can add some text and it's set as default, okay? Then you click save and that's all. Now I will give you 10 most important tips, most important things that you have to do every time when you upload your videos. I will also give you a bonus tip which I use and I think 90% of people don't use it, so watch to the end. And let's start with the tip number 1. You have to take care of your title. Namely, in the title you must have your main keyword. Well, we enter our keyword here, which we have already found before, and remember to generally start the titles with capital letters because it's more clickable. That's what the statistics say, okay? You can also write certain words in capital letters here, but don't overdo it. In this video I will use keyword how to create a Facebook ads campaign, and you can use some numbers and some percentages so that it's more clickable. Let's say you can write here 2024 in 2024, something like that. You can optionally add step-by-step text. If you don't know how to find a good keyword, I recommend 2 tools. One is keywordtool.io and other is Google Ads. There you can go to the keyword search on YouTube and you can type, for example, how to create a Facebook ads campaign, and you have here some cool ideas for keywords. It will be also useful for tags, but I will talk about it in a moment. The second thing is that in the first line of the description, you have to type here keyword from the title. I have a template and here enter your keyword and something like this from title, max 3 lines at the beginning so that you can generalize what the video is about and include this keyword from title. Remember about that. Then add a description of your video somewhere at the end. You can save a lot of time because you can use the ChatGPT for this. Write something like this: my YouTube video title is how to create a Facebook ads campaign 2024 step by step. Write a description: my keyword is how to create a Facebook ads campaign. Okay, so you press enter and now ChatGPT gives us a nice description which you can paste at the end of your video. I also don't want it to be very long and we paste it here at the end of our video. You can also add related keywords to the description. Related keywords are phrases that are simply related to your main keyword phrase. How to create Facebook ads, how to run a Facebook campaign. Actually, how to run a Facebook campaign, it's okay. As you can see, there is a lot of this here. For example, how to set up an effective Facebook ad campaign, how to create, setup and run Facebook ads campaign. You can also use the ChatGPT for this. So you copy, let's say, 3 saturated keywords here so that it also contains these words in the description. Next, create a playlist that relates to your video. To create a playlist, click select and select an existing playlist or create a new one. We can also generate a description for the playlist. We will use ChatGPT for this, of course. We can copy it and paste this generated text. I also recommend including a link to the playlist in each video. You can easily copy the playlist by visiting your channel. A few people do it, but it is really important because it can increase your watching time. If someone will be watching your videos for a longer time, then YouTube will treat it very nicely and increase the visibility of your videos and your channel in general. If you start, of course, there will be a little less of these playlists, but if you already have more of these playlists, then you can add a few playlists here in every video. You can, for example, write a watch this playlist if you want to become a Facebook expert, and here you give your playlists how to copy a link to your playlists. Go to your channel and go to the playlist tab Here you will have all your playlists and copy the link address. Then you paste all these playlists one by one. Here all the links, and you also name this playlist. Why are we doing this? Because someone who enters your description and see your playlists will be able to just delve more into this topic, right? The playlist may have 10 videos or even more. So thanks to the playlists, we simply increase the chance that someone will spend more time on our channel, okay? And the next step is to add chapters. This is very important step, and in these chapters we have to use keywords. Why? Because it can also increase your visibility. Okay, you can call it like me, highlights, and here add such a nice emoji, for example red cycle, so that is nicely displayed here, highlighted in the description. At the very beginning I always type an introduction. For example, I can write introduction to creating and your keywords, for example creating Facebook ads campaign. Here you can also add related keywords. When you are talking about creating and launching advertising on Facebook, you can type set up a Facebook ad campaign, and that's how it works. And everything has to be related to your video. And I also recommend such a very nice tool for automatic chapters. To do this, you will have to have subtitles for your video on YouTube. If you already have subtitles of your video, you can paste it here, and on the basics of this tool will automatically generate chapters for your video, so that's also very cool. You have a link to this tool in the description. For creating subtitles, I have a program called Descript which can automatically generate subtitles for your video, and I, for example, generated subtitles for my video about Google Ads. I can export subtitles from Descript, add them to my YouTube video, and when I go to my video and scroll down, I can see them. I can see a transcription, okay? Transcription is copied to this tool and the chapters are automatically prepared. Okay, the next thing is adding this chapter as pinned comment. This is very good practice because if a person goes to the comment section, he will see the most important moments. And now the ninth step is to add info cards with playlist and end screen. How to do it? Namely, we go to the tab, we go to video and click on the end screen. And now what can we add here? I add my avatar in the middle, and here on the left we add a video that will be automatically selected for our users, and on the right we add a playlist. You have to choose a playlist that you want your users to watch from this video, and we save it. And we do the same in cards. I already have a ready template from which I imported. Here somewhere in 3/4 you have to select a playlist that will be associated with your video, and we save it. And what's next? Well, adding subtitles to your video. As I said, I use the Descript program, so I drag and drop my video into this program. It automatically creates subtitles that I can export. And one more thing, you need to add tags and 3 related hashtags to your video. Where do you get this from? You can generate it using ChatGPT or copy tags from the keywordtool.io. You have a link in the description, and paste it into your video. Let's copy it from here. And here we add these tags. I added them all at once, so copy as many of these best tags and add 3 hashtags. So if you have, for example, a video about Facebook, then you will enter Facebook ads, Facebook for business. A bonus thing that you can do is change the file's metadata. Okay, click properties, then go to the details and enter your tags here. You can add also rating as 5, okay. Enter title and a short description of the video here, and that's all. If you want to start with your own YouTube channel and build your strong brand and gain more clients, make an appointment. The link is in the description. I will show you a full plan how to make even 50k per month from YouTube.